Good evening, everybody. Come to you today back on the V10 to Cummins project. Got the wiring all laid in where it belongs. Looks like quite the mess, don't it? It'll all lay up where it belongs. Quite clean in here compared to the V10. That top wiring harness up there, all the plastic tabs broke off, so got them in new hangers. The PCM's all in there. Had to use the backing plate off from the Fugly Duckling because it's a little bit different than the one for the V10, and I'll show you. These tabs right here where it screws on, this one right here on the Cummins is about that much higher. So I just used the one off the Fugly Duckling. That's all the fabrication that needed to be done underneath here. This is the wiring harness that goes to the back. I'll do this when the engine's all in. You got these two plug-ins. It's different than the V10. And you got the plug-in for the fuel sending unit that's different, and a couple other little things. No big deal. Be easy to hang it once it's up in the air. The harness underneath the dash in there is the same as what a Cummins one is. Same thing. Just you've got to put the gauge cluster for the diesel in there. That plugs right in. These are the heater controls. This one here is for the Cummins. This one's for the V10. One's a 95 and one's a 96. The only thing that you've got to do to these is down here on the bottom. These are the little lights for your message center. You can see the different locations from the Cummins to the V10. So you just put the lights in the proper spot where they belong and I'll be happy. When I was underneath the dash, I found something worse than the mouse nest. Mouse nest would have been nicer. But I found this remote start. And there was a few wires that was butchered in there. Made the repairs there, but I've got my own personal thoughts about these if they don't come stock. I'll keep them to myself. Well, tomorrow morning, the transplant goes down in there. And you guys will be seeing the startup here right shortly. So you all have a great evening. We'll see you around, and you be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.